Fuck.
Okay. They got straight over there. Top left side of mine.
Fuck.
You alright?
Chris, come here. Come here, quickly.
Yeah.
No, Steve, stay there. Get low. Come here, come here. Sit here. Sit right in front of me. Push up a bit. Push up a bit more. Yeah. Watch straight across.
I thought doorway.
Yeah, everywhere.
Feel like the same thing happening down
Oh, you are so dead. He's dead. He's down. Shane!
That's a Marshall.
I don't think they're going to take this place. They still haven't.
It's a game of attrition. It's just how quick you attrit. That is my new line for this.
Here, look.
Shane, 6! Make sure you don't take any yellow, reds.
No, I see our red. Hey!
I got him, Chris. Shane! Keep watching that way!
Hey!
Chris, set up the perimeter down in the next base.
Yeah.
Keep watching up. Left house! Left house! Left house! Sophie! You hit! Fuck. Steve, we got one left, Down here.
I got an eye down in the garden.
Changing. Steve, swap off me.
Where is he?
Find a green thing here.
Guy going for 6 down bottom house.
He's down. Steve, how are we doing? Hit! Nice shot! Yeah, would you go over there? Yeah.
I think I can push down this way.
You recording?
Yeah, I am.
Fuck you, Killian. Sorry. All traditions die hard.
Yeah, it is. Steve, give me my M4!
He's just there, 2 foot in.
Stephen, I need it now. Come here, give me it. Shane! Shane! Watch left! Watch left! Watch left! What? I know! Watch it! Stephen! Stephen! I need you to watch straight down there. Two down.
Fire!
Stephen, on me.
Hey man, coming across. All ball is new.
Goes away.
Stephen, come here. Straight down there. Oh, I fucking nailed him. Now, Stephen, come here.
Yeah, they're coming now.
How many?
1. But he knows exactly where I am. Ooh. Yeah. Sounds good to me. Talk about sticking their head out.
Oh, Stephen, far right, far right, far right, far right.
Just missed. Pin down my side.
Got one.
Nice. Yeah. Whoa, ooh. Breach. Hit. Good shot. Oh, right in the kneecap. Oh.
Shane, that's yours.
Worst time in the world.
What?
Have to change.
Steve, one down.
Dude, I hate. 2 down. Killian!
Shane. Shane, is your gun feeding?
I think so. Hold on.
Hit the metal outside of the tower.
Yeah, I
Shane, another one.
He's hit, he's hit.
Is he hit?
No, he's hit.
You watch behind us. Watch behind us.
Is your gun definitely feeding, Shane?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Definitely. Shane, get him. Another one, Shane. Another one. Nice one, Shane. Another one, Shane. Another one. Did you get him?
No, he's pushing.
Changing. So Shane, you enjoying playing with the Merks, yeah?
Yeah.
Another one, Shane.
Right.
What's wrong, Sophie?
Yeah. Going down to 1 second.
Woo-hoo-hoo. Nice. Sophie, can you get the guy to the left?
Hit. Good job.
Left of that building, I asked you to watch.
Dead man coming through. Dead man.
Stephen, officer's mess.
Don't stick down the west side.
Hit. Nice shot.
Yeah.
Don't stick down the west side. Hit! Dead man.
Whoa.
Come on. Show your head. Where's the flag? Where's the flag? try that. But, come in. It could still be here. Leave them.
Hit!
Hit.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Come on, Chris. Yeah, I got it. It's an art, trust me. It's an art form. You okay?
I think I broke my leg. Just look at my shoulder.